Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your message for everyone in Botim on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Botim app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, go to the chat where you want to send the message that you want to delete. Now find the message you want to delete. Press and hold the message until a menu appears. In the menu, you will see several options like reply, forward, delete. Tap on delete. You will now see two options: delete for me or delete for everyone. Tap on delete for everyone. After confirming, the message will disappear from both sides and the chat will show a note like this message was deleted. You can only delete messages for everyone within a certain time limit after sending them. Once this time limit passes, you will only be able to delete for yourself. Deleting a message does not notify the recipient or the person, but they will see that a message was deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to delete a message for everyone in the Botim on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.